Dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix this error. So you can see it. Some file cannot be opened because the developer can't be verified. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happens because you just download file from some unknown resource. So you just need to try to find another website and just download this file from another um, website. In my opinion, the best way is just download apps only from App Store, and because there will be only well-known developers and you won't see such error like this. So as for me, I prefer just download the apps from App Store. So also you can try to find another source and just download apps from known developers, and you won't see this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.